Okay, now I want to show you the Kodak Retina 1A that I have. The front, the side, the other side, the top, the back and bottom. Let me open it up for you. So when I press this, it will open. I'll show you. So you can see the lens. So it works. Let me show you the back, the film compartment. So this is a film compartment. So let me show you the glass itself. Let me put it to bulk mode to show you. Okay. So this is the lens. Show you the different speeds that we can do. So now setting it to 1 second. Setting it to half. Setting it to 105. Setting it to 10. Setting it to 25. Setting it to 50. Setting it to 100. Setting it to 250. Okay, now there's a peculiar part about this camera is that before you wind, you can't shoot at 500. So to get to 500, you need to wind first. Then you can set to 500. Yeah, sorry. Actually, I can. Sorry, I was mistaken. Yes, you can set to 500 before you wind. So yeah, 500. But let me see if I can set to 500 after I wind. Let me see. Yeah, so like after you wind, you can't set to 500. But before you wind, wait, let me see. But before you wind, then you can set to 500. Then yeah, you need, if you want 500, you need to set first before you wind. Yeah, so 500 works. Yeah, so this is the camera I'm selling, so there you go, thanks. By the way, for the retinas, to close back, you always need to make it the, how to say, you always need to put it to infinity first before you can put it back. So yeah, this one I recommend that you press here before you push it down to minimize wear and tear. Okay, there you go, thanks.